As much as it pains me to say it, summer's almost over in Seattle. It's kind of getting cold and rainy already, so I don't even want to think about that. But anyway, I'm still going to my farmer's market, and I've got a great hack for you. I actually like to freeze berries, and I buy them usually in August and September when they are at their peak of ripeness and nutritional content. I'm just going to put them in a colander, rinse them off, and then what I do is I put them on a cookie sheet with wax paper. Oops, that was loud. Not just any wax paper. I use this company called If You Care, and it has no chlorine on it, and they use a carnauba wax, and you use the shiny side. So put your berries on there. Make sure they're a little bit dry before you put them on there. I'll just pat them with a cloth, pop them in your freezer, and then when they come out, they're frozen individually. Here's my next trick. This is one of those times when I actually do use a plastic bag. I don't use a lot of plastic in my kitchen, but I do in this instance. So my berries are nice and frozen, but what I do, instead of putting them directly into the plastic bag where they're gonna actually touch the plastic, I just fold up the wax paper and then pop it in my freezer bag. And I'm gonna have room for, lots and lots of containers of berries. I'll use these throughout the winter. Maybe I warm them up with a little water and a little ginger, put them over Greek yogurt, or put them into a smoothie. And simple farmer's market hack to make sure you get lots of really great tasting berries all year round.